Hi guys, today I want to show you how to recharge this prepaid meter. I also want to show you how 2000 naira worth of electricity is. So I'm using PalmPay. Open PalmPay, go to electricity. When you go to electricity, so that you'll be able to choose the amount and the biller. So this is how it looks like. Because mine is already here, to just show everything. But if you go here, you'll be able to choose the particular biller, the city you are living in, and the electricity company they use. So you choose the one that is right for you. I'm going to choose just electricity because I'm recharging a light in Jos. So choose prepaid or postpaid. This one is prepaid, so I'll leave it as prepaid. Then put your meter number where it's written meter number. Choose the amount and click on pay. When you click on pay, it's going to bring out the meter details. Just confirm to pay once you know that the amount is correct. Once you've confirmed to pay, you pay, and then they will give you the token number which you load into your meter. This is it, token, you can see it. So you are just going to screenshot it or just save the stuff. So this particular prepaid meter. Just connect it to the socket straight. This one you cannot detach it, just connect it. Once you connect it, it will come on like this. Once it comes on, you are expected to input the token that was given to you when you recharged. So I'm going to be inputting it now. After inputting it, we will see how much 2000 naira worth of electricity is currently in. This is 2025 and this is so let's see. The number is 28607919447250164207. That's 20. No, it's just 20 digits. You just enter it. I'm just entering it small so that you can see. So after entering it, you press the button down, this blue button that is on the meter box. So once you are done entering it, you just press it. If you press it, it's going to show you how much the worth of what you have gotten. Since you got since this is 2000 naira, it's going to show us how much it is worth, how much 2000 naira electricity is worth. So just press this blue button down here. As pressed it, as you press it, to just show accept. And once it shows accept, you can see 8.9 kilowatt hour. That's what how much 2000 naira is worth. Then they will now add it to the balance, and what we have now is 28.1. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now.